One, two, three. She has one down. 76, and there's 600 individuals. So when I spin it, it says see which color, and they have the colors to see which one I open. So yeah, let's do it. Like, what I do, guys, like, we are racist today. We're trying to do. What? My toy bag that I made today. I'm not trying to open the big toy bag, so see if I do a couple. Nope. Yellow, the yellow. It's this one. The Bobatino. It says, look at the ice cream. Those are both. How to make boba tea. I really need green. Please, mother. I don't think I'm going to post this video. If I get it, I'll pick it. Every single day. Ah! That's the tiny. That is the tiny one bag. Well, I'm going to stick with them now. That's a boring going back for today. I don't know. No, one mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will have 5 going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're opening another one. I got dark blue. This is dark. Oh, and then I'm on this thing. Oh, you'll see it tomorrow. Okay. But you got an SOS. Or maybe I'll do this another day because I'm. But you got an SOS too. What? You got SOS. So I'm gonna close this back so I can do it when it's like when we're moving. When we're moving. Yeah, the new house with new friends and neighbors. So after I open stuff, I'm gonna go back to wait for all. Wait, we can do to my best friend Mariana because she lives to this house nearby, like just down the street. Okay.